Your landing page is not a homepage, and that one mistake is costing you investors. Most capital raisers treat their website like a brochure. Here's who we are, here's what we can do, here's our team, contact us, invest with us. And then they wonder why nobody's booking calls. Today, I'm going to show you the 5-stage investor funnel that actually converts strangers into LPs. This is the $100 million raise. I'm Kerbins. I help capital raisers build the marketing systems that attract accredited investors. My mission: document what actually works until we've helped operators raise $100 million. Let's get into it. Here's what I see all the time. A syndicator runs ads. They spend $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 on Meta or LinkedIn. The ads send traffic to their homepage. The homepage has 17 different links about us, our team, our deals, our philosophy, our blog, contact. The visitor has no idea what to do, so they leave. This is the #1 mistake I see. Capital raisers confuse a website with a funnel. A website informs, a funnel converts. They're not the same thing. Let me walk you through how an investor actually makes a decision to commit capital. There are 5 stages. I call this the investor growth framework. Stage 1, awareness. Stage 2, education. Stage 3, evaluation. Stage 4, commitment. Stage 5, onboarding. Every investor goes through these stages, whether they realize it or not. Your job is to build the systems that walk them through each one. Let's break it down. Stage 1 is awareness. This is where someone first discovers you exist. They see your LinkedIn post, they watch your YouTube video, they click on your ad. At this point, they know nothing about you except what's in front of them. Your goal at this stage is simple: capture attention and earn the click. That's it. You're not asking them to invest, you're asking them to learn more. The content that works best at this stage is problem-aware content, like why most people lose money in real estate syndications, 3 red flags in any investment opportunity. You're speaking to a pain point they already feel. Paying high in taxes, something like that. Stage 2 is education. They clicked, now they're on your landing page. This is where most people mess up. They try to close on the first page. Book a call, invest now, join our deal. Would you propose marriage on the first date? No? So why are you asking strangers to commit capital the moment they land on your homepage? The education stage is about building trust. Here's what your landing page needs: a clear thesis. What do you invest in and why? Credibility anchors, track record, team experience, press mentions. A risk acknowledgement. Show you understand the downside and one clear call to action, not 17 links. Let me give you the exact structure. Section 1, the hero. A headline that speaks to the outcome they want, not welcome to XYZ Capital. Instead, generate passive income through institutional quality real estate, plus a subheadline with your credibility. 17 deals, 42 million deployed, 0 investor losses. Section 2, the problem. Acknowledge the challenge they're facing. Most accredited investors are stuck in the stock market, dealing with volatility and limited control. Section 3, the solution. How you create value. Sourcing, underwriting, operations. 3 cards, 3 pillars. Keep it simple. Section 4 is where there's social proof. So testimonials, case studies, press logos. If you don't have investor testimonials yet, use your track record metrics. Average cash on cash return, 12%. Average hold period, 4 years. Section 5, the offer. What do they get if they take the next step? This is not book a call. This is download our investment thesis, or watch our 10-minute deal breakdown, or register for our investor webinar. You're offering value in exchange for their contact information. This is called a lead magnet, and it's one of the most important pieces of your funnel. Stage 3 is evaluation. They gave you their email. Now they're in your world. This is where most capital raisers drop the ball. They get a lead and then nothing. Or worse, one generic email, thanks for downloading, or book a call. The evaluation stage requires a nurture sequence, 5 to 7 emails over 2 weeks. Each email does one of these 3 things: educate them about your strategy, addresses common objections, and shares proof, case studies, testimonials, results. By the end of this sequence, they should feel like they know you. Then, and only then, do you invite them to book a call. Stage 4 is commitment. This is the call, the meeting, the moment of truth. If you've done stages 1 through 3 correctly, this call is easy. They already know who you are. They already understand your thesis. They already trust you. The call is just confirming fit and answering final questions. This is very different from a cold call with a stranger who doesn't know you from Adam. That's the power of a funnel. It pre-sells, it pre-qualifies, it does the heavy lifting before you ever get on the phone. Stage 5 is onboarding. Most people think the funnel ends when someone commits. It doesn't. The best capital raisers know Your current investors are your best source of future capital. Onboarding includes a welcome sequence. Here's what happens next. Here's how to access your portal, regular updates, monthly or quarterly reporting, and reinvestment triggers. When a new deal drops, your existing LPs should hear about it first. A good funnel doesn't just get one investment. It builds a relationship that compounds over time. Now, let me recap the 5 stages. Stage 1, awareness, get attention, earn the click. Stage 2, education, build trust with a landing page and a lead magnet. Stage 3, evaluation, nurture with a 5 to 7 email sequence. Stage 4, commitment, the call where they already trust you. Stage 5, onboarding, turn investors into repeat investors. Most capital raisers skip straight from awareness to commitment. Here's my ad, book a call. And then they wonder why their close rate is garbage. The stages exist for a reason. Respect the journey. Here's what I want you to do. Go look at your current investor acquisition process. Ask yourself, which stages am I missing? Do I have awareness content that captures attention? Do I have a landing page, not a homepage, that educates? Do I have a nurture sequence that builds trust before the call? If you're not sure, DM me the word funnel on LinkedIn and I'll send you a checklist, the investor funnel audit, that walks you through each stage. It's free. It takes 10 minutes and it'll show you exactly where your funnel is leaking. In the digital capital era, your funnel is your competitive advantage. It's a system that turns strangers into investors while you sleep. Build it once, optimize it over time, and watch it compound. Next week, I'm sitting down with a capital raiser who've done it at scale. We'll break down exactly how they raise capital and what their funnel looks like. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you then.